So today we are going to discuss how to do live reporting using Power BI and Azure. So before going there, we'll just talk about the architecture, how we can achieve it. So you can think about IoT devices which you connect to IoT hub, and then if you have some reference data that you can keep in blob storage. Now these IoT devices will push streaming data to IoT hub, which can be consumed by stream analytics and can push to the Power BI. I'll not talk about this portion because this is required when you want to store the historical data on any SQL server or any big data platform called Azure Data Lake or anything. So just keep these things in mind. So if you don't have IoT devices, no worries. You can think about creating the simulator kind of application. I have created one for myself and will try to execute that and see how it works. So before the program opens, I'll quickly show you on Power BI. So just keep in mind that you will be able to see the live dashboard only if you have a pro account. If you don't have a pro account, you will not be able to see. So right now, if we see, since I am not pushing any data there, so we'll see the dashboard idle. But the moment we start pushing data, we'll start seeing changes uh, happening here, and it will get pushed on every second. So I will quickly start this program. I'm putting one, and I'm putting 1,000 messages for now. So it will start pushing messages immediately to the IoT hub. Now we can concentrate on the dashboard. So now you can see that it automatically started getting the changes added. Now if you'll see, there is one more dashboard that also gets updated as the data being posted. Now let's talk how to implement this. So you will have a code where it connects to the IoT hub and pushes a message. You can put any kind of message. I have put date, time, hours, and there are some sensor based data which we are randomly generating. Now to connect to that, you first need to have a IoT hub created. So I have created a IoT hub here, and inside IoT hub you will need to create IoT devices. So you can add these devices. From here you can get the IoT hub connection string, and then you will need the device ID and the device connection details. So to connect here, you will need three things. One is IoT hub URI, which you can get from Azure, and then the device key. So device key is something which is very important, and then you can start pushing the message. Now next thing is you have to configure the streaming analytics. So you can go here, and in stream analytics I have already configured certain set of queries. You will need the inputs. So in input you need to connect to the IoT hub and then the reference file if you want to have more details like the site name or other details which you can store, because you will not put everything in the streaming data. Now once you have done this, you will also need outputs. So output is the place where you will, connect to the Power BI. So you will need to register the Power BI, and you can put data set name, table name, which you want it to push it to. So then second thing, you can think about the workspace, which workspace where you want to post the message to. Now once you have done that, you can design the report either using Power BI desktop. So before doing that, you need to run it for once so that your data sets gets created there in the Power BI portal. So you will see here I have already created one data set, and that the table and data appears here. So you can log in using the pro account, and then you can connect to the data set and then create your Power BI report. That's it. Thank you.